For me, Holi is about happiness, Holi is about family, and Holi is about the Gheeyar. Every festival is celebrated in the best way in our country. Be it Diwali, be it Christmas, be it Eid, everything. But there's one festival which just brings everyone together. And everybody celebrates that. And that celebration is Holi. Now, going along with festivals, there is always food, ceremonies, religious things, the way people dress, the weather, which really contribute how we celebrate these festivals. For example, up in the north for Holi, we have great stuff like ujiyas. There is different kind of chaats which are made up in the north, and that's where they all enjoy their Holi. Sindhis too have their own way to enjoy Holi. Why? Of course, with colors, and definitely by making the quintessential Gheeyar. Now, when you look at Gheeyar, it's like this beautiful, lacy, lovely jalebi. Okay, it's not a jalebi, but it's a lacier one and it's slightly bigger. There is that whole story to the jalebi. First things first, chashni jara dekho. Now, for the sugar syrup, I have 1 cup of sugar, to which I'm adding 1.5 cup of water. Okay, तो 1 कप शक्कर और 1.5 कप ओके पानी. अभी इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा ज़ाफ़रान, a touch of yellow color, थोड़ा सा lemon juice, हल्का सा, so that it becomes a nice clear syrup. और फिर don't forget इलायची. So I'm just adding about 3 या 4 pods of green इलायची उसमें डाल दिए हमने. परफेक्ट. अभी हम इनको धीमी आंच पे पकाएंगे till all the sugar is dissolved and literally it just comes down by 25%. So we are going to actually reduce this till it reaches about 2 cups, which means approximately about 15 to 20 minutes. So while हमारी चाशनी बन रही है यहाँ पे, okay, let's look at the batter. Batter काफ़ी simple है, okay. इसमें 1.5 कप मैदा है, okay, और ये जो है खट्टी दही, we are using a sour yogurt, तो इसमें है literally half उसका, that means 3/4 कप, ठीक है, दही का. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज कलर और let's give this a little mix. Next, अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी. Now, the consistency of the batter can be adjusted even after 1 day. ये जो अभी हम डाल रहे हैं, ये actually fermentation के लिए है. Okay, it has to ferment the batter. And let's add a little more water to it. My best memories of Gheeyar was again from Jama Sweets or from Sindhu Sweets from Chembur. And when we moved to Bandra, it was Tharu Sweets all the way. And I always buy the Gheeyar from outside. Never really made it for Holi because most of the time I'm traveling और टाइम किसी को मिलता है, that's what we all say. लेकिन I promise you, ये होली और नेक्स्ट होली मैं सबके लिए Gheeyar बनाऊंगा. ओके, थोड़ा सा और पानी डाल देते हैं हम इसमें. ब्यूटिफुल. Now we're going to let this ferment for 24 hours. Now fermentation भी अलग होता है. Now imagine if I'm staying in Mumbai, okay, the time to ferment this is going to be much different.
If I'm staying in a cooler place, then the fermentation time is longer, just like how you make bread. Okay, in winter your bread always takes longer to proof. So we've got this really nice batter. I'm going to add a little more water to it. Perfect. Also in my चाशनी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा गुलाब का जल. Okay, beautiful rose water. In the meanwhile, let me take a look at my sugar syrup. Just going to give it a little stir. हल्के से. Nice. And now let's work on this. And as I mentioned to you, ये जो फाइनल इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो कल हम देखेंगे. So this batch is going to be used for Holi, another second batch for my neighbors, and this batch which I already have made here is actually for you. Okay? So a lot of people, I mean, जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था कैसे बनाते थे तो मुझे तो लगा ये ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ जलेबी काइंड ऑफ बैटर है. ठीक है. एंड तो जलेबीज हम विदाउट एनी स्टेंसिल करते हैं. यहाँ पे हम ये रिंग डालते हैं. ओके. और उसके अंदर हम इट्स लाइक अ वेरी रैंडम काइंड ऑफ अ मोशन. ओके. तो अभी इसे हमने एज आई मेंशन टू यू, you have to adjust it to it. So literally if I go to see, almost like a thick जैसे पकोड़े का बैटर होता है ना, it's almost like that. Okay. So let's give it a shot. Remember, we can always play on the consistency. Let's drop this and see how it goes. So let's add some batter into this. Perfecto. So going this in this really crisscross random kind of thing going on, there's no real pattern which you follow when you do this, right? That's the best part of it. I'm going to let this अपने आप ये side से छोड़ देगा. Just being a little careful now. Okay. And once this is almost formed, when it starts leaving the sides, supposed to be automatically, but we will check it out. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to turn it over and then into the chashni. It's that simple. Well, it's not that simple. It's taken a while. You have to keep on adjusting the batter. I'm going to turn it up slightly a little bit. Right. So, abhi, we have to see the sides se pak gaye ye. Okay. So, I'm just going to use this skewer. Just like that, perfecto. And be very careful, guys, when you do this. Now, literally, I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to flip it. Okay. Now, the Gheeyars which are available in the market, you get really thick sizes. The choice is yours. I like to do a nice thin one. It's really nice and crispy. After this, straight यहाँ से हम सीधा डालेंगे चाशनी में. Now, ये थोड़ी सी साइंस भी है. Let me tell you some quick science, okay, and a fact about the Gheeyars. Now, the winter is just over, the summer is just starting, which means that the orange and the yellow color is Basant, okay, springtime. It means it's going to be bright, it's going to be yellow, everything's going to be happy. And the first festival which kicks off after is Holi. So it is all about happiness. It's all about being together in this festival. Also, there is also a belief that the Gheeyar actually looks like the Sudarshan Chakra, which was in the hands of Lord Vishnu. Now it's got a really nice, lovely, crispy texture right now. Now I'm going to just drop it into the chashni. 1 minute into the chashni and then take it out and put it right here. Now let's go for another round. So a nice quick dip into हमारी चाशनी, just like this. Yeah, so we're going to just give this a quick dunk. Okay, you got to make sure that the sugar syrup is not too hot. Okay, so you have to wait for it, and almost like a minute or so inside. Perfect. Some chopped tamins. And we have some chopped cashew nuts. A lot of people put pistas, they put different kinds of, sometimes you can even find things like pumpkin seeds in the new age stuff. But I like to keep mine a little fresh, and I like to say it with flowers sometimes. So we have these lovely fresh rose petals which I put here. Okay, you can surely go with dehydrated petals. Okay. Wow. And here we go, guys. Happy Holi to you guys. And it's time to stack it up. A very strong message, guys. We all like to have fun, but make sure that your Holi is very safe. Use organic colors. Don't waste water. Instead, play Holi with some flowers. Okay, we need water in this city. At the same time, eat well, do celebrate, and don't get too high. Sabhi chao, Jhulelal. You know, I've always been inspired by Indian sweets. And literally, for me, Holi is about happiness, Holi is about family, and Holi is about the Gheeyar. Sabhi chao, Jhulelal.